welcome back to my channel. So today I did a halo look. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to name it, but I'll come up with something good. I only used 2 palettes and I want to say 3 or 4 shades. That's about it to create this look. I really like it. I'm not big on halos, and that's only because I'm not good at them, but I'll keep trying. But if you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to start with the Plouise base, and we're going to go ahead and put that all over the eyelid, and then we'll start with the eyeshadow. Okay, since I have that down, we're going to go ahead and use the Born to Glow by NYX, and we're going to go ahead and highlight our eyebrow bone. Alright, so the first palette that we're going to go into is the 39A, and that's by Morphe, and the shade is Indigo, and we're going to go ahead and put that into our crease. And once I build it up to the color that I would like it to be, as dark as I want it to be, then we'll go ahead and start blending it out. Okay, so next shade we're going to use is called Vibrant, and it's in the same palette. We're going to go ahead and put it right on top of the edge of the blue, and then we're going to blend that out, and we're going to bring that shade almost all the way up to your eyebrow bone. But we're going to keep blending the shades to make it blend very well. So y'all know from any of my other videos, my son always is in the video. So please, I'm sorry y'all. I'm sorry. I try to get him to go take a nap so that I could do the video, but he won't go on for it, as you can see in the video. So yes, he is in the background jumping around. He just wants his little 5 minutes of fame. That's it. Alright, so we're going to use the Plouise base, and we're going to go ahead and cut the crease, not all the way, just using the middle part of your lid. And it's not going to be perfect. Of course, mine did not look perfect like it did the first time going, but that's okay because it's going to all come out pretty. Okay, so the next palette we're going to use is the Morphe 35B, and the shade is called Smoothie. And we're going to go ahead and put that all over the part where I put the Plouise base. And then we're going to go back in with the shade Indigo and blend these shades together. Okay, so I'm going to use the Wet n Wild megaliner to do my wing. I don't know what it is about this liner, but I just love it. Okay, so I'm going to finish my face off camera and then I'll be back. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.